Hello, boys and girls. How are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to read a new story. Here we go. Open your book to page 58, reading lesson 4. Okay? I have some questions for you. Do you like apples? Where do apples come from? Have you ever planted a tree? Yes? No? Okay, before to continue, I need that you watch the following video. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Do you see this? This is a plant. They are planting. Okay, and then it's gonna be a apple tree. Okay, excellent. Okay, today we are going to see about the tallest apple tree. Okay, did you see the pictures? They are happy. Okay, and if you see, there are a lot of trees. Okay, you're going to listen carefully to the story and follow along with your finger. Okay, here we go.
Mom, Dad, and Max go to buy an apple tree. Bobby and Susie come along. They look at many trees. They are all beautiful. Max picks the tallest tree. They take it home. They plant it in the backyard.
Okay, excellent. Did you see the story? Okay, it's about an apple tree. Okay, grammar check. Proper nouns. Name a particular person. How many proper nouns are there in the story? Circle them. And if you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. And remember, happiness is vacation. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.